Hey everyone, my name is Aditi and today I'm breaking down an AI tool that's been getting a lot of attention is NoteGPT. Let's dive right in. So, this is NoteGPT. It's been described as an all-in-one AI learning and productivity assistant. In one line, it helps you summarize, transcribe, write, create and learn all from a single platform. Let's look at what that actually means. Now, coming to what is NoteGPT. At its core, NoteGPT takes a long form content, think YouTube videos, PDF, lectures, even articles, and turn them into a clean notes, summarizes, flashcards, and mind maps. It's not just a summarizer, it works more like a full assistant for how you learn and research. You can chat directly with your document using models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini. And users are saying that it's helping them learn up to 10 times faster. Pretty solid and claims, especially for students and researchers. Now, coming to its key features, NoteGPT really is a patch of a punch. First, video and audio. It can summarize YouTube videos and lecture and even generate a podcast. Second, document intelligence, PDF, articles, papers, slides, all summarized instantly. Third, AI chat. So you can literally ask questions about your content. Then there is an AI writer for essay, humorizing text, grading, even detecting AI written content. Fifth, visual creation. It can generate image, infographics, and mind maps. And finally, study tools, flashcards, and quizzes built automatically from the notes. Now, coming to who uses NoteGPT. So, who is the actual user for is? A student uses it to turn lecture into flashcard and exam ready notes. Researcher use it to summarize paper and organize literature review. Professional use it to turn long reports into presentation ready summarizes, and educator use it to build slide lectures and quizzes. Basically, if you deals with an IoT content, this tool has the use case for you and it will help you more deeply. Now, coming to its security and pricing, let's talk about. NoteGPT says that it's an ISO 27001 and SOC 2 certified, and it's GDPR and CCPR compliant. They also claims that they do not use your data to train their AI models and there is no hidden tracking. On pricing, there is a free plan with 15 quarters a month. No credit card is needed. There is an unlimited plan with 50% off in your first 24 hours and a team plan built for schools and research groups. So, it is a very helpful tool. Now I'm coming to like why choose NoteGPT. So because instead of judging five different tools, you get one platform that does it all. It can save your hours every week on notes and research, and it's built to be a privacy first from the ground up. If you want to try it, just head to notegpt.io. No credit card required to get it started. So NoteGPT is the best tool for students you and researcher. You can even get the summaries of the full YouTube channel. So we will try it. Now I am opening the NoteGPT. So this is a free YouTube video summarizer. In this you will get the YouTube icon video. Now I will place a YouTube video link. In this I am writing yes. Now I will generate the summary of this YouTube video. So now within a second you can see that it has given me the summary of this YouTube channel, YouTube video, and you can see that this is the whole summary. That if you have less time you can read the summary, see the highlights. It has also given that what are the main topics, key insights. See that you can also chat with AI in this. See, I have given it a question like suppose extract the outlines of this. So it is also giving me the outlines of this whole video. You can also create a quiz of this video. See, it has given me the full content overview. It is like more helpful than ChatGPT. Even ChatGPT can't give you this much of data. Now after that I will generate an AI image from this. I will generate I will write a prompt here. Suppose a beautiful mountain lake reflecting image. So after that I will go to generate image, and within a second it will give me the image. See, the image is generated. If you don't like this image you can also edit with description. You can modify image also and again generate image, but see, it is looking realistic. Now after that I will upload one PDF file. Suppose I have given the NoteGPT PDF also, and it will give me the summary of that whole PDF. You can also upload your textbook here, or you can also upload any articles you want to read, and within a second it will give you the output. And this tool is very helpful for basically for a student. I hope you all like this video. It may be a helping video. Thank you for focusing on this video.